Exercise number 1.5, third problem. This is from the first chapter. Evaluate each of the following in terms of x and y if it is given x is equals to log 3 base 2 and y is equals to log 5 base 2. So, whenever we see while solving this, we get log 5 base 2 and log 3 base 2. So, at that place, we are going to substitute x and y so that we get the final solution. So, in solution, they have given 4 bits. Let us solve this first bit. Log 15 base 2. So, log 15 base 2. First, we have to take out the factors of 15. 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. So, log 3 into 5 base 2, log, we know that one formula is there. We are going to use the formula log AB is equals to log A plus log B. So, log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. Log 3 base 2 value is x plus log 5 base 2 value is y. So, this is our solution. Let us solve this second bit. Log 7.5. 7.5 can be written as 75 by 10. 75 by 10 base 2. 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. So, log 15 by 2 base 2. Again, we are going to use another formula, that is log A by B is equals to log A minus log B. Log 15 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Here the formula is, which I am going to use, log A base A is equals to, which gives us 1. Log 15 can be written as it is in the first solution. So, log 5 3s are 15 base 2 minus this one is 1. Log 5 can be written as separate log A plus log B. So, log 5 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 minus 1. Log 5 value is y plus log 3 base 2 value is x minus 1. We can write it as this, x plus y minus 1. Next is log 60 base 2. First of all, take out the factors of 60. 2 3s are 6, 0. 2 1s are 2 5s are 3 5s are 5 1s are log, how many 2's are there? 2 square into 3 into 5 base 2. So, it is in the form of log A, B, C. So, log A plus log B plus log C. So, log A plus log B plus log C. Log C. This 2, for this 2, we will use one formula, log A to the power of n. N comes in front side. So, n log A. This is the formula. So, 2 comes in front. So, 2 log 2 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 is x plus y. Log 2 base 2 is 1 plus x plus y. So, therefore, x plus y plus 2. 6750 take out the factors. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10, 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 2 left, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 5s are 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So let us write the factors. 2 is 1 time into 3 is 3 times into 5 is 3 times base 2. Again it is in the formula of log a plus log b plus log c. So log a plus log b base 2 plus log 5 cube base 2. Log 2 base 2 is 1 plus 3 comes in front as we know from this formula. So 3 log 3 base 2 plus again 3 comes front, 3 log 5 base 2. So 1 plus 3 log 3 base 2 is x plus 3 1.